Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in Java. Okay, I'll continue with the loops concept. Okay, in the last class I showed how to use while loop. Today I'll show you how to use do while loop. My name is Rizwan. I'm a computer faculty at Microsoft Computer Science at Tumkur. Okay, now I'll go to Eclipse. Eclipse is the IDE where we are writing all the Java programs, writing and compiling. Okay, IDE means Integrated Development Environment. See, actually this Java, in Java everything is treated as package. Okay, package means now whatever the project you create, that is treated as package. Okay, now suppose first what we do, first we create a project. If you want to create a project, what we do, you go to file, then you go to new, then you go to top project, give some name, suppose R something, then you click on finish. Okay, under project you are giving class name. For class name you are doing source. Okay, going to source, then you right click, then you go to new, then you go to class. Now always package name will be different, class name will be different. Then you click on finish. Today I show you how to use this do while loop. Always main function will come under the class. Okay. Now we'll say public static void. Public static void. Okay. Then we say main. Then we say string arguments. Okay. Then open the then say int. Suppose I is equal to suppose say 1. Okay. Then I'll say do. Okay. Then say statement system dot out dot println. Okay. I'll say the value of I is then I'll say plus I. Okay. Then you say I plus. This for incrementing. Okay. Then in the here then you are giving us then you are telling while. Okay, say while where you want to stop. Suppose I is less than equal to 10. Okay, but in do while it will be semicolon. Okay, how many brackets you have to 3? You have to open, one is for main function, one is for class, and one is for this do while. Okay, opening 3 brackets and close 2 brackets. Okay, now always for system this must be capital. System dot out dot println. Okay, then you are telling I. Okay, now always for string must be capital. String must be capital letter. Okay, and usually in Java everything is treated as string. That is object. Okay, it's converting whatever typing, that's for primitive data. It's converting primitive data to object or object to primitive. Okay, primitive to object is called that is auto boxing, and object to primitive is for unboxing. Like that, you are different. These are called wrapper class. These things I'll teach you later. Okay, now in while loop the values are printed only if the condition is true. But in do while loop, the values are printed even if the condition is false. In while loop, first the values are printed, then the condition is set. In do while loop, first values are in while loop first condition is checked, then values are printed. In while loop first condition is checked, then values are printed. In do while loop first the values are printed, then the condition is checked. Okay, now I'll run this program. I'll go to run, then you go to run as, and then Java application. Click on. See, now it's printing the values from 1 to 10. Now same thing what I will do, suppose I want to print in decrementing order. For decrementing order, same program. Okay, what I will do, just I will copy this program. Okay, Control C. I'll create one more class. See, that is, I'll create one more class in the same package, but different name, because package is a collection of classes. Okay. Then what I will do, I did this coding. But here what I will do, I'll change. But for decrementing, starting value will be higher. Okay. And ending value will be lower. Understood? Like this. Okay. Everything is here. Then here you say what? I minus. Okay. This is for decrementing, higher to lower. Okay. And here what you do, class name is Steven. In Java everything is, in Java default is public, but in C++ default is private. Okay. If you don't give also, it's public only in Java. Okay. Now I'll go to run, then you go to run as. Okay. Now what is the file name? This file. Okay. Now then you go to run as, then you go Java application. Then you click on. Because now what is happening? Okay, it's printing in this kind of order. Okay, now 1 minute. Now what I do? Always you have to give higher value here. In this you have to give higher value. Then you have to give lower value. Suppose I say I is greater than equal to 1. Then you say I minus 1. And you click on I minus 1. Okay. when I go to run, then I go to run as Java application, click on OK. Now see, it's printing from higher to lower, higher to lower. Okay, like that. This is the use of do while loop. Okay. Now suppose same thing. I want to increment. Suppose let's say higher value as 30. Okay, and I want to increment by 2. Let's say I is equal to I minus 2. Okay, like this. Then I'll say I is greater than equal to 1. This keep on decreasing, like 30, 28, difference up to. Again you go to run, then I'll go to run as Java application. Now observe here what is happening. See, showing the difference of 2, right? Okay, and that this is the use of do while loop. Okay, I told you regarding while loop, do while loop. Okay, next class I will show you regarding how to use for loop. Okay, thank you.